Good day and welcome once again to our series of tutorials regarding Microsoft Excel. This time we're going to discuss about average if, and average ifs functions. Now, still we're going to use the same ledger that I used previously. This time we're going to have an example about how we're going to compute the average or how we're going to use average function. So this time, we're going to look for the average for the net payroll. So meaning to say, i-add na to dito nang kana siya diha, then we're going to look for the average using the average function, of course. Okay, so here, dire mag-sample ta dire dire na ko ibutang. So, look for more functions, dire na punta gyapon, and then statistical, and then average. Look for the average, this one. Okay. So our range for number 1 is this one. Okay, this is our number 1. Yeah. Ayan. Then click OK. Okay, so the average is 2728 muna siya. So ato i-jive diri sakto. So parang ma-check gihapon nato ato na siya ipang-add tanan, i-divide nato by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So i-divide nato by 10. So i-add nato na siya tanan. So we can use this sum, auto sum, kuan. So kani siya. Mao siya ang kuan. Total. So ato ibutang diri equal sign kana divided by 10. Let's try to check. Okay, so sakto 2728, 2728, 2728. So sakto atong solution. Then we have here the average if. So this time here, aside from computing the average, we're gonna be having one criterion. Okay ha? So atong button is that the problem is compute the average net payroll for those employees, katong mga employee nga naay total deduction nga more than 1,000. So we're going to look here na total deduction diri tanaw na to which of these employees has more than 1,000 nga deduction. So usually ang less than more than 1,000. Okay, yes. So ang wala ra nagabot og 1,000 deduction kini rang duha. Okay? Kana ra duha. Okay? So kana. Then so kini sila kani ang pang-compute kani nga mga employees nga naay mga deduction. So kani siya nga nga ilang salary diri ang computon kani kana plus kana plus kana. Okay? So what we're going to do right now is still we're going to use the we're going to go to statistical, then there ato sa average if wala is na sa. Okay ha? So we have here the range. Ang range na to dirita ang range na to is this one here. First range is this one. Okay, kana. And then ang criteria is greater than 1,000. And then ang average range kana compute na tong average is kini siya diri kani kani. Ayan. Okay, then okay. So ang answer is 2839. So sakto 2839 na now. So base to okay na. So muna siya 2839. Pero still we going to check kung sakto ba siya. So ato ipang-add kini siya kana. Okay ha? Equals kana. Wait, diri na. Okay, equals kana plus kana plus kini din nito nilabot kini siya kani duha kay kana po rin. Plus kini siya dili nilabot kini dili nilabot kana siya. Dili ta so word diha na po ta sumpay kana plus kana plus kana plus kana yan. So i-enter na to na. Okay. Wait, no. Dito. Now we arrive with the total of 22,714. Pero wala pala nato nakuha ang average. Kaya ato mo nang gi-add tanan. So all we have to do is kini siyang entire value, we're going to divide it by 10 or by 8. I mean by 8. 8 ra kay kung may labot daw. So by 8 para maka-arrive ta ni nga amount. So what we're going to do right now is i-click na to ni siya dire kana we're going to put parenthesis here to group these values here kana o kana diha. Okay? So ato siyang gibutang parenthesis dire adapita kana parenthesis para magrupo ni siya nga set of numbers kana, then we're going to divide it by 8. Why by 8? It's because we're going to look for the average. Atong giyan is walo mo ka buok numbers, so that's why we're going to divide it by 8. Pag i-press ako na enter, that's the time nga we can arrive with 2839.36. So muli siya nga ara kana o kana o kana. So ni-arrive ta ana. So mean to say ang atong solution is sakto. Okay. So next na po is ang average ifs. So again, just like the average if, ang average if contains only one criteria, while ang average ifs has multiple criteria. Okay, so right now, we're going to look for the average net payroll for those employees nga na total deductions para ani itong gaina na total deductions, pero napag-yung criteria nga na siya ay OT overtime. Okay? So napa siya total deduction nga less than 1,000, greater than 1,000 plus napag-yun siya overtime. Lagi kana. So kana siya no, napag-yun siya overtime. So what we're going to use is again the average if. So rigya punta, more function, statistical, and then average ifs. Okay. So again, the first average range, diri nga punta. Okay. Muna itong average range. And then criteria range 1, first criteria na to, first range for our first criteria is kini siya. Ana, nga dapat ang iyang criteria is greater than 1,000. Greater than 1,000. Then, sa criteria range 2, we're going to use the overtime. Nasa overtime. Okay, so dito sa OT, overtime. So this is gonna be our range. Kana. And then ang iyang OT, criteria 2 is greater than 0. Kaya naman siya overtime. So ang atong problem is that we're going to look for those people na nasa total deduction nga more than 1,000, so muna greater than 1,000, and yet na siya OT, na siya overtime. So meant to say greater than 0, ka naman siya overtime. Okay, then let's try to check. So wag natin to 120 ang iyang kwan, ang resulta. Ganito sakto nga itong competition to 120.173. Okay, tinabanon niya po na to. Ito niya po siya kwan. So, we try to look for those people na CA, na siya CA. I mean, na OT. So, kani siya nga tao, kani nga tao, kani nga tao. Pero, ang iya pong, i-check na to dire, ang iyang total deduction, ang atong criteria is greater than 1,000. So, kani siya nga tao, di na siya pwede. Kani siya. Kaya yung deduction niya is 700 naman. This one here, na siya OT, o niya na po siya greater than 1,000 po lang iyang total deduction. So, ato i-add kini si Guansing 2303. Okay, ikon B. Dito. So, equals Guansing. Kana siya nga amount niya. Plus, yan na punta sa laing na OT. Kini o, na OT. Kunya na po siya deduction greater than 1,000. So, kana, i-add na to na siya. And then, another one nga OT, kini siya, plus ang iyang deduction greater than 1,000 yapon, so para. Yan. And then, ato i-enter na to na. Pag-enter na to na, natay 6,360. Again, since we're going to look for the average, ato na po na siya i-group. Parang group ko siya, then divided by 3. Okay, kaya ito naman na siya atong ikuan. Divided by 3. Yan. So, 2,120 ang atong resulta. Sakto. i-jive siya, sakto dira gyapon. Okay? So, sakto nga tong competition. I hope nasaktan to tanan. Good luck and God bless.